I always say she was the perfect child. She was my firstborn. She made me a mum. She was amazing.
Renee Archer was 10 when she died from complications of having measles as a baby. She'd caught it when she was too young to be vaccinated. If more people had been, her mum says, she may never have been infected at all. Her warning, doctors say, is one parents need to listen to.
It does make me quite sad and angry because they are potentially putting their children at risk. And I just want people to open their eyes, really, to someone that's actually been through it and not the nonsense that's been spreaded on social media and on telly. I just want people to be knowledgeable of how serious the situation can be.
The concern over falling rates of children receiving the measles vaccine was brought into focus by the death of a child at Alder Hey Hospital in Liverpool. There's been a surge of cases in a city with one of the lowest rates in the country of children having both doses of the MMR vaccine. It's left communities short of that herd immunity where enough people are protected to prevent the virus spreading.
The vaccine's been around and in use actually for over 50 years and it's incredibly safe. Measles is often thought of as just a routine childhood illness, but actually it's incredibly contagious, much more contagious than COVID, for example. And I think the problem is that when that's passed on, particularly in schools, nurseries and other environments where children are close together, there's a real problem with them children becoming unwell.
Doctors say it's not just public hesitancy about vaccines, but also a lack of information about their importance and difficulties getting appointments.
Is there anything that you want to know about the vaccine?
No, I'm okay.
At this catch-up clinic in Liverpool, Natalia brought her son for his MMR. She admits she'd lost track of his vaccinations, but worries that others are being misled by false information.
And that's it. You done fully vaccinated.
I think parents are trying to make the right decision, but the misinformation that is out there is overclouding their judgment. My child attends a specialist provision, in which is a school that carry children with many types of disabilities, physically and mentally. And it's really hard to see that those kids could be exposed to an illness that is quite preventable through a vaccine. I am hoping the parents will start thinking not only about their children, but also all those other children that cannot get vaccinations for numerous reasons.
It's a message that Becky Archer echoes in memory of her daughter.
She was a really caring person. She wouldn't have wanted any other family to go through losing the child.
Greg Milam, Sky News.